Sadly, one of my chili plants has dried off. So I have a lot of chili plants in my balcony, and suddenly this one plant, I noticed that it had started drooping. Its leaves had started kind of drooping, and I thought of observing it for a couple of days, and now it is completely dried off. So what I will do is I'll just harvest all the chilies that are hanging on this plant, and I'll prune till the base, and I'll see if it recovers. So let's do that. So here we have it. So this was a very promising plant actually, and it already had a lot of buds and small tiny chilies, but unfortunately this is what has happened. So in gardening, a lot of things can be unpredictable. That's fine. I'm okay with it because I have a lot of chili plants. So and also these days the climate has been very fluctuating. So last 3 to 4 days it was really cold, and today it's really hot. So that also must be adding to the stress to the plant. If this had been the only chili plant that I had, then this would have been really sad for me. So even a plant that has completely dried off has given these many chilies, which is not bad at all. So I have repotted it into a smaller pot, and the stems look really dry. So we'll check this back in couple of days. So it has been 4 to 5 days since I have repotted this plant, and frankly speaking, I did not expect anything out of it. Though I did hope that it might show some recovery, but looks like it is showing a tiny bit of growth, and looks like it might come back. So right now I will show you a sneak peek of the plant that I had already repotted. So if you can see, there are some very small sprouts coming up from the nodes here and even here. It looks like it is coming back. So we'll place this back. Second plant that has dried up, and it also has a lot of chilies. It has obviously stopped growing, and I was hoping to get a lot of chilies from this, but anyways, we still have some chilies on this, so we'll quickly harvest them. So what I will do is I will make this video only about harvesting the chilies. I'll make a whole different video about pruning these plants and just shifting it to a smaller pot and observing it for a few days to see whether it recovers or not. So there are 3 more plants like this that are on the verge of drying up. So this is one plant. It doesn't look as dry as the other previous plant, but it is on the verge of drying up. So it is better to harvest all the chilies that are there on this plant, and maybe that can give some respite to the plant and it can try to recover. That's what I think. So if you see, all the leaves are very droopy. There is no strength in these leaves. And this is the other plant. On camera actually it is looking pretty strong, but yesterday even this was very weak, and today this is looking better. But what I will still do is I will harvest all the chilies that I see on this plant, so the plant can divert its energy to sustaining itself first. So that is what I feel would be a better option right now. And even here there is one plant, this one. So if you look at these plants, the leaves are nice and fresh. It is not drooping at all. Now this is not because of lack of water. There is water. The soil is moist. The plant is not absorbing it. So there is some issue with the roots or something is what I suspect. So this is what we have collected from 2 plants. So let us get to the 3rd plant. So this is today's harvest. So there were around 15 odd chilies the other day. So that and this together, I have not counted this, but it looks like a good harvest from a dying plant. I hope you like this update and this video. Thank you for stopping by and watching this video. See you next time. Bye.